Hi, welcome to High Tech Machinery Inc. Today we are going to give you the demo on the Chevalier model FSG-1228AD hydraulic automatic surface grinder. This machine has a 12 inches by 28 inches travels with a 12 by 28 magnetic chuck on it with a automatic down increment. So we are going to give you the demo with all, and we are making a small part on this machine for demo purpose. So the spindle has been started. We are grinding a jaw for the Y's for the demo purpose. The machine is running on a fully automatic mode with an automatic down increment. So what's the depth of the cut on the automatic increment?
Right now I'm doing at 1,000.
So right now the automatic down increment is at 1,000. This machine runs beautiful. It's a super quiet machine.
This is a spark out.
That's a spark out cut right now. So job is complete. So the spindle has been retracted to its home position. So this machine is in a great condition. Now we're going to show you the dresser on this machine. That's a dresser. Great machine. So the machine can be inspected under power at our warehouse in Independence, Missouri. If you have any questions, you can call us at 913-306-1377. As I said, this machine is in an immaculate condition. Thanks for watching.